What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Alice. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're not new, welcome back. For today's recipe, I don't know why I did this, but for today's recipe, I decided to show you a very famous, yeah, we can say it famous recipe, which is the lemon loaf from Starbucks. I am obsessed with everything lemon flavor. I really love citrusy stuff. So when I first came to Canada and I tried the lemon loaf from Starbucks, I fell in love. So I try many recipes. I look on Pinterest, I look on YouTube, I Google it, I search everywhere. I probably try 15 different recipes. And I finally found the closest one. Like, it actually, to me, it even tastes better. So it's really simple. You only need a few ingredients. You probably have it at home already, and it's super delicious. It stays moist for a very long time as long as you keep it in a Ziploc bag. And if you're alone like me, you can also, once it's cooled down, you can slice it pretty thick, wrap it in plastic, put it in a Ziploc bag, and put it in the freezer. And every time you're craving like a lemon loaf, but you don't want to break the bank, you just take it out a slice from the freezer the day before, let it defrost in the plastic wrap, and you have a wonderful, tasty treat. So let's get to ingredients. First of all, you gotta preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit because this recipe is gonna take really like 10 minutes, like the most. So what you're gonna need is flour, baking powder, sour cream, sugar, vanilla extract, lemon extract, lemon juice. This is like 1 lemon, 3 eggs, lemon zest, and oil. Of course, all the measurement, as always, are gonna be listed in the description box down below, as well as my Instagram page. So don't forget to check it out. So make sure the very important things when you do dessert, that your eggs are room temperature, because when you mix it with the sugar, you whip it together, it's way easier. It whips so much better. They stay more fluffy when they're room temperature. And it's always better to work with the ingredients that have the same temperature and not one is too cold or one is too hot. We're gonna start with our eggs. So we're gonna crack the 3 eggs. I also have a Starby drink because why not? So we're gonna crack our eggs in the bowl. Then we're gonna add our sugar all at once, and we're gonna start whisk all together until we have soft peaks. So you won't believe what just happened to me. As you can see, I have a new hand mixer here because halfway when I was whipping my eggs, it decided to die on me. And I was like, well, thank you. Thankfully, I had another one. So after you whip your eggs with your sugar, you're gonna add the lemon zest in it. This is just 1 lemon, like the zest of 1 lemon. Can't believe it. That happened to me. That's amazing. Then you're gonna add your oil. The reason why I use oil is because sometimes when you use butter for a recipe, lemon juice, it makes the cake hard the day after, especially if it's a little bit cooler in the house. So this way it's always gonna stay soft. And then our sour cream as well. I feel like this is the key ingredient to keep your cake nice and soft for a very long time. That's the key, the sour cream. After this, we're gonna mix our ingredient together again. And now it's time to add the flour and the baking powder. Oh, I also forgot to mention that when I was pouring the lemon juice, I also dissolved the lemon essence. Lemon essence? Yeah, into the lemon juice. So I'm gonna add my baking powder to my flour that I previously sifted. And then I'm gonna add it all at once in my batter. and I'm just gonna whisk until it's well combined. As you can see, all the ingredients are well combined together. Just make sure scrape the sides and make sure there's no flour clumps. And now what we can pour, oh, forgot to get this one. Vanilla as well. You can mix it with the flour and don't forget it like I did. You just mix it in. I like to do vanilla and lemon together. I don't know, I think it brings out the lemon a little bit more. So after you mix everything together, you can pour into your loaf pan. Alright, and this one is gonna bake at 350 for around 35 to 40 minutes, but keep an eye on, and if it gets too dark on the surface, after 20 minutes, you can open the oven and put like aluminum foil or parchment paper on top. And make sure that before you take it out of the oven after the 35-40 minutes, you stick a toothpick in the middle to make sure that the batter is well cooked and there's no any raw batter. Oh my God, the incident that I had with the mixer, it literally confuses me so much. So I'm gonna pop this bad boy in the oven and we're gonna be back for the taste test. All right, you guys, my lemon loaf, it's finally done. I baked it for about 45 minutes, but after 30 minutes, I opened the oven and I covered it with aluminum foil because it was start to getting a little bit dark on the surface. And before I took it out, I insert a toothpick in the middle to make sure that my batter was fully cooked. And then I let it cool it down for about an hour. And then I take it out of the loaf pan and I sprinkle with a little bit of powdered sugar. But if you want to be exactly like Starbucks, so you can make a lemon glaze. I'm not crazy about glaze. I rather put like powdered sugar on top. But if you want to make a glaze, it basically is 1 cup of powdered sugar and add a couple teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix it all together and then you drizzle it on top. But make sure that your loaf, it's cool. It's not warm or it's gonna melt and it's gonna go everywhere. So now, like I always do, I always sacrifice myself for you guys because I want to show you that this tastes really good and it's not crappy. So you just gotta cut it. It's super soft. It's, oh my God, I cannot wait. As always, I don't like the first slice, so I'm gonna go for second slice. So I'm just gonna cut it. I just wanna like show you guys first what's, ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Oh my God, it smells divine. So I'm gonna go for a second slice because, you know, I like the middle part. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. It's so soft. Look at that. Oh my God. Happy dance, happy dance. Oh my God. They're so good. Okay. It literally melts in your mouth. Instead of spending like $5, I don't even know how much it costs anymore. It's pretty expensive. Instead of spending like lots of money on the lemon loaf at Starbucks, make it yourself. This entire loaf, max, is probably gonna cost you $5 to $6, the entire thing. And you have probably like 15 slices here. This is so good. I hope you enjoy spending time with me. Please make sure that you recreate this recipe. It's super delicious, super soft. And like I said, you can keep it in a Ziploc bag and on the counter for up to 4 days. But if you think that you're not gonna finish it in 4 days, you can put it in the freezer, wrap each slice with plastic wrap and put it in the Ziploc bag. And every time you're craving something citrusy, delicious, soft like a pillow, you take it out of the freezer, let it defrost, and enjoy your treat. I hope you're spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye, my beautiful people. I love you.